Hello everybody, I'm Matt. This is AIDIY.tech. Today I'm going to do a quick learning video because I'm learning. I only just got onto TikTok and to promote my Praise Be Vinyl satirical AI music channel, and I learned I had to be on TikTok. I've been trying to avoid being on TikTok for a long time, and I just have to be on it. And this here is my YouTube channel. I don't have any shorts or anything like that I've done here. Maybe that's something I need to explore in the future. It's just satirical stuff. I'm just trying to have a laugh. I don't want people to get too worked up over any of the issues that I go on, but hopefully if it's against something that you are in, or if it's into something you're into, you can still have a laugh. If you laugh at it, have a laugh, whatever. I'm playing around with AI music. I'm playing around with satire and having fun, and it's just fun. I just enjoy it. I enjoy the process. I enjoy sometimes it takes me like a week to work out lyrics. I scrap ideas and all that. But anyway, the whole point here is to turn some of these videos over time into working short videos that can be on TikTok. Again, here's my TikTok channel, and the way I made these, and we'll do another one. We'll do one as we go through. You can figure out the sign up process and all that stuff. The name is CapCut. I actually think TikTok actually points you the direction of CapCut, which you can just sign into automatically. I'm not going to go through all that. You can figure out how to sign up. I'm not that kind of tutorial. I'm the getting started tutorial kind of guy, so you know what's out there in the marketplace. And this uses AI specifically to turn long videos into short videos that you can host on TikTok. So my space is Praise Be Vinyl. Now, I also want to point out that if you use Canva, this particular SaaS product works almost exactly like Canva. At least it has a lot of the tools similar to Canva. So I'm going to go to my Praise Be Vinyl space. And these are the videos I've basically gone to, and it's created all these ones here I'm not great at it, like I said. Okay. Here we are at the main screen at the start. Now we're going to turn long videos to shorts. And we're going to drop our file. Well, I'm going to do one of my... Okay, I'm going to do my Smells Like Massachusetts video. It's a bit of fun. There's a story behind it. Go to praisebevinyl.com. Check out all my videos are there. Go to my YouTube channel. Go to any of those. It's really fun. That's not what it's about anyway. So I've uploaded the video here, and I'm going to make it less than 60 seconds. All right. I just let it automatically choose whatever part. It's not too complicated. There's a story behind this one. I'm originally from Massachusetts. I live in Australia. I took my family back to Massachusetts to visit my family last year and the year before, sort of Christmas around there. I had forgotten that they had legalized cannabis over there. And I'm going, man, can you smell that? It smells like that. And anyway, turns out everywhere you go in Massachusetts now smells like that. So we've come back, and anytime we smell that, we jokingly say, smells like Massachusetts, right? Anyway, that's the thing. So it's that easy. You get here, add it. I'm going to go 60 seconds, less than 60 seconds. Now, this is the thing. This is the AI tool, Convert. And it'll start going in. I'm not too particular about how it comes out, because your video is being uploaded. Don't close or refresh the page. All right, well, it's uploading the video, whatever. Okay, so it's come out with these two options, right? I just go with the default, but anyway, we'll play them.
In the dark, now it's out in the light. Massachusetts air smells just right. Walked into the nightly store, eyes so wide. Edibles and pre-rolls, oh what a vibe. Better have eye drops, the locals advise. Loaded up on goodies with local pride. 6 weeks roaming, the freedom's found in every park and garden. Laughter all around, a journey back where reggae beats flow. With a split in hand, we just cool and coast those Massachusetts. Every corner, every street, from the valleys to the beaches, the scent of green. Back to lands afar, Massachusetts memories then set the bar. The air we free. Massachusetts, me heart sings.
Okay, so you can see that's what they are. And again, I'm just creating really simple. I don't want to go too much. I'm not going to go all into how to edit and all that stuff. I just don't want to bother too much about shorts, but I know I have to have shorts. I upload the video, AI create. All right, yep, we edited it all down here. And what we'll do now is we'll export it. Export. We're going to go to TikTok that I caught from ChatGPT, resolution 1080, blah, 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 MP4. Let's export it. Title, smell. Who can view this video? Everyone. Let's use a comment. Disclose video. Can let others know that this video. No. Okay. All right. Remember, this is all done with AI. It's a good starting point, and which is the whole point of this channel, your starting point. And there you go. That's it. See, I'm getting a few political things up there because I did a satirical thing, and I did some searches. But anyway, there you go. So I hope you found this valuable. It's not a full-on tutorial. I'm just introducing the AI tools. You can play with it all you want. That's pretty much the limit in the extent that I've used it for. And I'm getting a TikTok channel going. So one thing I find frustrating is people that go through the whole gambit and they're pressing around with this and really just need a starting point. This is a starting point. It uses AI. Now, if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel. It just helps me a lot. For one thing, every single subscribe I get excited about. It drives me to do more content and better content and spend more time on the videos. If you have a chance, go to AIDIY.tech. Do a donation for Love Heart Travel, which is of benefit to the John Fawcett Foundation. It's all on the website. You can have a look at it there. I'm considering just putting the JFF, the John Fawcett Foundation, direct bank account details for you to donation there. I originally wanted to donate through the site so I could keep track of the target. I want to raise $38,800 so I could put people on a bus to go out to Indonesia. I still want to raise that money, but I don't really want to do the handling of that money itself. I'd rather it goes direct to the charity, and there's some codes that you can put in there so you can claim it on your tax. Plus, I just think if I'm just a random YouTube channel, maybe people think that I'm just trying to get money. I'm not. And if it goes directly to the foundation, I can still help raise money for it. And I can still know if people make a note, I guess, I don't know, tell me that they've donated, and I can still track towards that target. I'm not sure what that looks like, but the point is I'd rather just the money go to the charity. I can work out all that tracking and stuff like that later. So, I'll just go to just me. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe, and all that stuff, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.